In today's episode of 1 Minute Tech, we take you deep inside one of the most dramatic talent battles unfolding in the world of artificial intelligence. Despite offering staggering annual salaries that exceed $2 million, Meta is facing an unprecedented exodus of its top AI talent. A shocking 78% of the company's original Llama research team has already departed. Meanwhile, competitor Anthropic is rising as the new magnet for elite AI minds, boasting a remarkable 80% retention rate, far above the industry standard, thanks to a culture that prioritizes researcher autonomy and intellectual freedom. In response to this critical talent crisis, Meta's CEO Mark Zuckerberg has taken charge personally. He is handpicking a brand new 50-person Superintelligence team. These recruits are being offered compensation packages unlike anything seen before, ranging from 7 figures to an astonishing 9 figures. Zuckerberg's recruitment efforts have been highly personal. He has invited leading AI researchers and engineers to private gatherings at his homes in Palo Alto and Lake Tahoe, where he shares his vision for an elite group focused on creating artificial intelligence that surpasses human abilities in memory, reasoning, and knowledge. Beyond internal rebuilding, Meta is actively seeking external partnerships and investments. The company is in discussions to invest up to $10 billion in Scale AI. This would represent Meta's largest external investment ever. The strategic goal? To bring Scale AI's founder, Alexander Wang, and key employees into the superintelligence effort, strengthening Meta's position in the fiercely competitive AI landscape. Meanwhile, Anthropic's appeal continues to grow. Engineers from OpenAI are reportedly 8 times more likely to leave for Anthropic, while those at DeepMind are joining at an even higher rate, nearly 11 to 1. Anthropic's success in acquiring and keeping top talent is not just about pay. The company's distinctive workplace culture, described as high trust and low ego, draws engineers seeking a different kind of professional environment. Here, unconventional thinkers thrive. Titles and rigid management tracks are not enforced. Instead, Anthropic values flexibility, kind and direct communication, and assumes good intentions during disagreements. Hiring decisions focus on evidence of real ability and personal accomplishments, not just traditional credentials. Meta, on the other hand, is undergoing a major organizational overhaul to combat this talent drain. The company has split its AI division into 2 distinct units. The AI products team, led by Connor Hayes, will concentrate on consumer-facing AI features. The AGI Foundations unit, co-led by Ahmad Aldal and Amir Frankel, will focus on the Llama models and core AI research. This restructuring comes at a time of significant leadership turnover, including the departure of Joël Pineau, Meta's AI research vice president, who had led the company's fundamental AI research group for nearly 8 years. In addition, Meta has adopted more aggressive internal management tactics. It is increasing the number of employees rated as underperformers in mid-year reviews to guide future layoffs. The company insists that no executives are leaving as part of this reorganization and that no immediate job cuts are tied directly to the changes. This battle for talent underscores broader trends in the artificial intelligence industry. The demand for world-class AI researchers far exceeds supply. Companies are devising increasingly creative strategies to win over top minds. Google DeepMind, for instance, is reportedly using non-compete clauses lasting 6 to 12 months, during which engineers continue to receive full salaries even while on the sidelines. For Meta, retaining AI talent is more than just a staffing issue. The company projects that its generative AI products will generate $2 to $3 billion in revenue this year alone, with long-term projections reaching as high as $1.4 trillion by 2035. Losing the architects of its AI foundation poses a serious strategic challenge. Ultimately, this fierce competition for talent shows that culture, values, and working environment can outweigh even the most generous financial offers, reshaping the race to lead the future of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching 1 Minute Tech. If you found this report insightful, please like this video, share it with fellow tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the latest in science and technology. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.